Hey, it's Beyblade Brothers. Welcome back to another Beyblade video. Today we're going to be shooting Nerf guns at Beyblades. We're going to be using a couple of our older Beyblades because just in case if any of them break. So we're going to be using Legend Spryzen and Satoom. We have two Nerf guns. One of them has small bullets and the other has jumbo-sized bullets.
That really hurt.
So let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, let it. Legend Spryzen just bursted Satoom. 1, let it. So that's one bullet. Next bullet.
You keep hitting mine.
They didn't even burst. Three, two, one, let it. One bullet. Here's our second bullet. Oh, it bursted before. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, bursted again. Now we're gonna use the big gun with the big bullets. 3, 2, 1, let it. That's so surprising.
Let him burst.
These are Satoom 1. Woo. 3, 2, 1,
let it.
First bullet. Second bullet.
My goodness.
Get a chance to fire the next bullet. 3, 2, 1,
let it.
Ooh, you got a bad one. First bullet. Second bullet. Oh, and Legend Spryzen won this time. 3, 2, 1, let it. Burst Satoom, or did he burst it just from Legend Spryzen hitting him? 3, 2, 1, let it. First bullet. Second bullet. And third bullet. None of the bullets hit that time. We found that the bigger gun was funner to use and it did more damage to the Beyblades. We have a couple videos that people really like, so we're going to put them in the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and put the notification bell.
Bye.